Hey guys, well I was not even going to record today. I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. Water's really cold, but I did just land a nice little brown. I'll throw up on my gram, but other than that, it's been pretty slow. The black jig is the only thing really gotten a fish on so far, so we'll go back with the black jig and try again. Hope that there's someone else out there. Guys, I just shut my camera off and I got another one. Looks like another big brown, I think. Shaking its head like a brown. No, it's a bow. It's a bow. Come on, bud. Right in there. There we are. Nice. We got a bow. Nice little keeper size bow too. I would think about bonking this one, possibly. Actually, I got a stringer with me. That's a good keeper. We'll think about it here. Alright, so since I was thinking about it before anyway, and because we got such a mess with this jig in the net, I think I will be keeping this fish. I do like me a smallish bow. It's a good couple of meals, especially a nice fresh one like this. That is. Alright guys, we cut the leader. Found a way to get that jig out. I got the fish on the stringer. He's out of the water for a bit too long and I'm gonna eat him. So no hard feelings hopefully with any of y'all. But we're throwing that black jig on. It's seen better days, obviously, but I think it might have another fish in it. That's a fish. There's a fish. Could you get that net, bud?
Yeah.
That feels like a brown. Feels like a brown. Oh, it's twisting like a bow, though. It's a bow. You ready? You ready? No. Bud, just with the net, like, dip it down in the water. There you go. You got him. Thank you, buddy. That's a good net job. That's a very nice looking fish.
Head first. I remember head first.
Yeah, you did great, bud. Thank you. Is my thing recording?
Yeah.
It is for red?
Yeah, it's red.
Sweet.
But it's red.
All right, you want to help me get a quick photo and I'll let him go?
Yeah.
I just set your rod against the sticks over there. Try to keep the reel out of the mud if you can. It's okay.
I can't move
Here.
my foot.
Here,
So.
go for it. I got him.
Like just set it down?
Yeah, there you go, bud. Now, hang on to this really quick. I'll pop the hook out and then we'll get to the camera biz.
Okay.
Oh, you're beautiful, bud. Beautiful fish. Took that black jig. My pliers are up in the bag, and this water is cold. Cold, bud, cold. Oh, shit, might need them. These look pretty good. Oh, I think I might get it here. Oh, okay. Almost had it, bud. This net really catches the fucking hooks bad. There. Hook is out. It's in the net though. There. Hook is out and out. All right, there you go. Quick. Come here, buddy. You ready, bud?
Yep.
All right, start snapping. I can always delete photographs. Oh my God. Oh my God, bud. You ready?
Yeah.
You got some?
Yeah.
Cool.
I got
All
a
right.
ton.
All right, buddy.
I
Get
got
out of here.
motion pictures and.
Thanks, bud. Pretty fish. All right, let's
Bugs.
bugs. Bugs, yes.
Bugs.
I mean like the jigs?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want me to give you a bug, or do you want to
Well,
try the bead a little longer?
Nothing. I don't think anything's happened with the bead.
Do you want to try my rod? You can switch over. And that's happened to me twice under the bridge, so I know what happens there when it goes behind where the fish hold into that somewhat shallower water. It's a fish thinking twice and going, hey, you know what? I do want to eat that. Coming back to get it. Doesn't happen often in cold water, though. In cold water, they're very zone oriented. Wow, shit. So your reel does not cast nearly as well as my fish.
Kidding me.
Fish. It's a rainbow again.
Oh my God.
He'll be ready in a sec. Oh shit. Recording. I totally was recording.
Why did you put the net up so high?
I didn't mean to. I forgot to bring it down. He's not a very big one. Just you got it. Oh, he's running. He's ready. Whenever you are, bud. There you go. Thank you, buddy. Beautiful. I got two today. He looks almost like the fish I caught earlier, but he's a little smaller. Okay. So they're hitting beads and jigs today.
Yeah.
Thank you, buddy. Whew, just right in the front of the nose. Alrighty. GoPro, I hope you're getting a good shot. Let's get a picture real fast. Plenty of bows around. First I'm gonna put you in airplane mode. Alright, there you go. I'm ready. You ready?
Yep.
Cool. I'm gonna try to flip my... You got something like that?
Yeah.
I'm gonna flip my hand over real quick.
Okay. Okay.
Got some?
Yeah.
Cool. Alright. Nice. I'm sorry to catch the fish on your rod now. Jeebus. I'm just waiting for it to go. Come on. How you doing, bud?
Woo! You know what? This is definitely the way to go.
Yeah.
When you're short, take life by the butt.
Yeah, we'll just put your waders in the trunk this time.
Here, take. I feel like the fat kid in a snowsuit right now.
You need my hand? Here, here's my arm. There, okay.
So when we get where we're going,
Oh my god,
I'm
your
gonna stick
poor
my
nails.
hand in the water.
Alright, hold on. I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready. He might get away from me if you do that.
Sorry. Oh.
Alright, I'm ready. Ready? Yeah, pick her up.
Ready?
Yeah, let's see that. Oh wow, what a beauty.
Look at that.
Ate that bead and bag combo.
Right there.
Yes. Alright, good.
Wow. Woo. Say that one's the leader.
Here you go, bud. So. Yeah, it is just dead as dead. Right down here right now. No, it's not him. That looks like either a nice bow or a steelhead. Oh, it's a bow. Oh my god. I have to take this drag now. Got. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, he's all tangled. Shit. Oh no. Come on, bud. Oh yeah. I knew that guy wasn't fishing this spot right. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
It's gonna be coming soon.
Okay.
Oh, that might
Wow.
be. I can't tell if it's a bow or a steelhead. He's ready. Get that net in the water, bud. I'll guide him to it. Oh, not quite like that. You got to get under him if you can. Thank you. And there you go. Wow, we are lucky that he
Just like,
he didn't
okay.
flip out. He's like,
He's
okay,
like,
I'll just.
okay.
She's learning. I'll let her do it.
Thanks, buddy. You're huge.
Yeah, he's pretty. That was like my first cast.
Buddy.
I think I have to like just stop fishing for the rest of the day. That's a steelhead there.
Wow.
Yeah, that's why he fought so hard.
Are we keeping him?
No. Unless you really want to, I would rather just let him go if that's okay with you.
Okay, it's your fish.
Okay, you want
I
to?
said you wanted to keep one.
I mean, I'm tired. I don't want to cut one right now.
Sure.
Or, you know, much less when I get home. You want to grab your camera up
Yeah.
out, bud?
Yeah.
Here, I'm just trying to pull the line out. Yeah. All right, my camera's going, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Yeah, that's a steelhead.
Wow.
Finally, a steelhead this
Nice,
season.
dude.
On the white jig this time. So the white jig's getting them too. Just snap whenever you want to snap
I-
pictures.
Don't you worry.
All right.
I got you.
All right. I am ready to hold him up if you're ready to take
Okay.
pictures. Oh, that's a pretty one. Is that not a beautiful fish? Look at how pretty you are.
Oh, he's big.
Yeah, got some good shots?
Yeah, I
All
just
right.
took like a whole bunch.
Cool. All right, GoPro. I hope you're getting a good look at that guy. He's a very beautiful steelhead. About, I would call it 7, 8 pounds.
Wow.
All right, I'm done. You catch a fish, okay?
Okay.
Nailed that thing. Oh. It's a steelhead. A baby steelhead, but it's a steelhead. Don't get out of the sticks. Come on. Whew. There you go, buddy. little steelhead. You're going right. Yes. Cool. Okay. He's got something else in his mouth too. That ain't mine. Ah, shit. Oh, the jig's out. The jig is out. Cool. Pretty little fish. Little fly. There, he bit some little weird little fly thing. It's kind of cool. All right. Here he goes. Cool. Again, I guess. Oh God. There's one. There's one. There's a good one. Shaking its head. Bow, probably. Stay down, bud. Oh, that's a big one. Come on, fish. There we are. Oh, he's all tangled now. Great. Come on. You gotta get untangled, bud. There we go. Nice bow. Nice bow. Come here, buddy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Stay out of there. Come on, bud. Right here. There we are. There we go. There's a decent one. That's a big fat one. Nice fish. So cool, I was recording. That's good news. Okay. Let's figure this out. This is much harder by yourself. With the GoPro and shit. This is why jigs are the thing in the wintertime. Well, she took care of that for me. There ain't no data like field research. There's a fish. I keep forgetting, oh my, that I have my camera on already.